You've tried everything, the foams, the scrubs, the expensive serums, and yet every morning your skin greets you with the same dullness, the same shine, the same frustration. What if the problem isn't what you use, but how you're doing it? Take a breath, set everything down, this is your moment. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through a complete, deeply satisfying, deep cleansing ritual designed specifically for acne-prone, oily skin. This isn't a rushed sink routine. This is a process, a quiet, intentional journey that your skin has been waiting for. By the end, your pores will feel cleared, your skin will feel soft and balanced, and you will feel like you've genuinely taken care of yourself. Let's begin. Before anything touches your face, let's establish one truth. Your skin is not the enemy. It's simply overwhelmed. Every step of this routine is guided by a principle of gentle, controlled care. Nothing aggressive, nothing harsh. We're not at war with our skin. We are working with it. Professional grade skincare doesn't mean pain or sting. It means precision, patience, and the right technique. That's exactly what we're doing today. Here's what's actually happening beneath the surface. Oily skin produces excess sebum, your skin's natural oil. That oil, when it mixes with dead skin cells and daily impurities, doesn't evaporate, it settles, it fills your pores. And that's where acne quietly begins. Deep cleansing isn't about stripping your skin dry. It's about clearing the filter, thoughtfully, methodically, so your skin can breathe again. Start by pulling your hair back, gently, softly, and tying it away from your face. Now wash your hands thoroughly. This step matters more than most people realize. Clean hands are the foundation of any professional skincare process. Run warm, not hot water. Let it run over your fingertips for a moment. Feel that warmth. That gentle heat is already beginning to soften the surface of your skin, loosening the day's buildup before a single product is applied. Splash that warm water across your face, 3-4 times. Slow and deliberate, you're not in a rush. This is your ritual. Take a clean cloth, soft cotton, and gently pat to remove the excess water, leaving your skin slightly damp. That dampness is intentional. It prepares the surface to receive what comes next. Now we begin. Take your gentle, low pH gel cleanser, one formulated for oily or acne-prone skin. A pea-sized amount, no more. Dispense it onto your fingertips and work it between your palms until it starts to foam softly. Begin at the center of your face, the T-zone. Your forehead, the bridge of your nose, your chin. These are the oil-heavy zones, and they deserve the first attention. Use the pads of your fingers, never your nails, in small circular outward movements. Imagine you're tracing tiny spirals across your skin, slow, steady. There's no pressure here, only intention. You'll notice, after about 20 seconds, a slight warmth beneath your fingertips. That's your circulation gently responding. That's your skin waking up. Move to your cheeks, using the same gentle spiraling motion, working outward toward your jaw. If you have active breakouts, move around them, not over them. No friction on inflamed skin, ever. Now massage along your jawline, upward and outward, down toward your neck. The cleanser should feel soft on your skin, not tight, not stinging. If it does, it's not the right product for you. 60 seconds of cleansing, not more, not less. Set a timer if you need to. Then lean in toward that warm water and rinse. Thoroughly, every trace of cleanser, gone. Pat dry, gently, always gently. Mistake 1, over-cleansing. Washing your face 3, 4, 5 times a day feels productive. It isn't. It strips your skin's natural barrier and triggers a stress response that makes your oil glands produce even more sebum. Twice a day is enough, always. Mistake 2, using hot water. Hot water feels satisfying, like it's cooking out the impurities. But that heat inflames your skin, breaks down its protective lipid layer, and leaves you more vulnerable to breakouts, not less. Warm only, always. Mistake 3, skipping the rinse. Residual cleanser left on your skin will clog your pores just as effectively as the impurities you were trying to remove. Rinse longer than you think you need to, every single time. Now, the skin is clean, clear, and for a brief moment, beautifully bare. This is when we shift entirely. The process becomes soft, quiet, restorative. Apply a gentle alcohol-free toner, a hydrating mist, or a watery essence across your face with clean fingertips or a single cotton pad. Let it absorb. Don't rush it. Close your eyes for a moment if you'd like. This step is yours. Follow with a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer, one that won't sit on oily skin, but sinks in. Work it upward, across your cheeks, your forehead, the softest pressure down your neck. This is the part of your routine that tells your skin, I hear you. I've taken care of you. You're safe. Let everything settle. 2 minutes. That's all it takes. A routine like this done once will feel like a reset. Done consistently, it becomes a transformation. 3 simple habits that compound over time. Change your pillowcase at least twice a week. It collects oil, dead skin, and bacteria every single night and presses it back against your face for hours. Keep your hands away from your face throughout the day. Not because it's dirty, but because unconscious touching transfers oils and irritants that quietly undermine everything you've worked for. And lastly, stay hydrated from the inside. Oily skin is often dehydrated skin trying to compensate. When you drink enough water, you give your skin permission to regulate itself. Small shifts. Real results. If you're doing this routine in the morning, or if any part of your day will include sunlight, there is one final step that is not optional. Sunscreen. SPF 30, minimum. SPF 50 if your skin is inflamed or post-treatment. I want to be clear about this. Acne-prone and oily skin is significantly more vulnerable to UV-triggered pigmentation and scarring. Every dark mark left by a breakout deepens under unprotected sun exposure. You can have the most refined routine in the world and undo it daily without this one step. Choose a gel-based or fluid SPF, lightweight, non-greasy, and apply it as the final layer every morning without exception. This isn't extra, this is non-negotiable. Look at yourself. Not with judgment, but with calm. Your skin is not broken. It is not a problem to be solved. It is a living, breathing organ that responds to how you treat it every single day. You've cleansed with intention. You've nourished with care. You've given your skin exactly what it needed and nothing it didn't. This is what a real routine feels like. Not rushed, not complicated. It's consistent, gentle, and entirely yours. If this helped you, if something clicked today, share it with someone whose skin might need this too. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care of your skin. Take care of yourself.